Alrighty, so we're going to begin by talking about our plot elements. The plot is a sequence of events in a fictional story. So remember, fiction means fake. It is not real, completely made up. Okay? I like to think of our plot as a roller coaster. So what we are going to do today, we're going to pretend like we are on this roller coaster. So you're going to strap yourself in, hold on tight, and we are going to start with our exposition. So this is where we are introduced to our characters, our setting, and we start to learn a little bit more about the conflict that is going to happen in our story. And then as we continue reading, we start going up our rising action. And this is where we start to learn more about our conflict. And it becomes a little more complicated. And we start to get some suspense, and we're wondering what's going to happen and how the story is going to unfold. And then we get to the very tip top of our roller coaster here at the climax. This is also called the turning point. Okay, this is the most exciting part of the roller coaster, where you're looking down and you see your feet dangling. This is also the most important part, the most exciting part of the story, sometimes the most important. It is usually the change for the main character, and we start to kind of see how the story is going to end. Okay, and once we hit that very tip top of the roller coaster, we start to fall. So we're falling down, screaming, ah! And we have our falling action. This is easing our suspense. The characters are working to resolve their conflict. Okay, and then at the very end of our roller coaster, after we've been scared out of our minds, we come to our resolution. And this is the end of our story. Is brought to a close. We know how the conflict is resolved, and we get some comfort in knowing that it is done. Okay, so we're going to apply this to today's story.